Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the lowercase n. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the lowercase n. Watch me write the first one. I start at the middle line. I go straight down to the bottom line. I go back up to the middle line. I make one small hump down to the bottom line. That's a lowercase n. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write! Start at the middle line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Go back up to the middle line. Make one small hump down to the bottom line. Great start! Keep your hump smooth. Let's keep going. Ready? Write! Start at the middle line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Go back up to the middle line. Make one small hump down to the bottom line. I can see you're focusing on writing neatly and controlled. Let's try another. Ready? Write! Start at the middle line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Go back up to the middle line. Make one small hump down to the bottom line. Your lines look smooth and neat. Let's do one more just like that. Ready? Write! Start at the middle line. Go straight down. Go back up. Make one small hump. Great handwriting! Last one! Ready? Write! Start at the middle line. Go straight down. Go back up. Make one small hump. Wow, great finish! You worked carefully and kept focused the whole time. Look at your lowercase n's. Which one shows your best pencil control? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab. Check out these other great learning videos.